guys? It is your dude, your guy, your homie, Camden Garris, back with another video. And today we will be burping the British alphabet. Now, I gotta be kind of loud, extra, because like there's background noise and it's kind of annoying. And yeah, but let's just do this. So I got it pulled up on my computer right now. I mean, like right now. So here we go. F eight A L M N U B Azu A S T U V double J X A Z. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because I have no idea what I'm doing. And like what I just burped. Because, I mean, it's very confusing. I didn't even know what I was saying the whole entire time. But yeah, maybe I should make this like a vlog and a thing, or just a separate video. And I'll do 2 separate videos. Tomorrow's video is going to be awesome. I'm somewhere cool. It's pretty cool. Hey, what is up, guys? So we are in a city right now. I'm not gonna mention it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know, but we're having fun. I think we're gonna go get some food later. So yo, this is awesome. Hey, what is up? This is awesome. City. That doesn't even look like a cow eye. Hey, look at this. That's so cool. What the heck? What the heck? Guys, it is literally so hot right now. I'm in the forest. I'm a cowboy. Yo, I'm in this huge hotel. Look at this.